Howdy, friends and family, ladies and gentlemen. Jake from GD Honey Acres here. Mrs. Jake is operating the camera.
Yep.
Today our goal, well tonight, because I just got home from work, we don't have a whole lot of daylight left. Our goal is to swap the reducers in did you say all the hives or just a couple of them?
I don't know.
As I know, Aduna is jamming good. And Sophia looks like she's got quite a few coming out. I know we're going to definitely swap the reducer to the 3-inch opening on Aduna. And we might look into Aduna's hive to see how packed she is. Because the other day in the rain, it looked like she had a whole lot of bees in there. And I don't want her to feel like she's out of room. All right, let's get started.
I'll do a bee dance.
Do the waggle dance. Waggle, 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 waggle. And there is some captain brood. There we have it. Got her Dunsky. Man, she's gorgeous. Guys, we found our queen.
Finally.
See that? I'm gonna swap the reducer first. Nice little puffy puff of smoke. Yes, darling, I know you didn't like it. We're probably gonna have them just come pouring out as soon as I pull this out. What are you doing to our home, man? Well, there's a new one.
Mm-hmm.
Get in there. And now, I put the wrong one in here last time I did this for the wedge. Because like I said in one video, the last video I did on reducers is I wedge them.
Oh, hey, buddy. Don't come in here right now. You don't have your suit on. Just wait out there, please. Thank you.
You getting this, Shawnee? So we just push it in and wedge it like that. Alright, go ahead.
Want me to go put his suit on?
Or something.
Okay, buddy. I'm coming in. I'm coming out. Let's put your suit on.
We got quite a few of these
Daddy's gonna wait for us.
newer bees down here. I'm going to try to help them get back to the hive because they really don't fly yet. Your nurse bees don't. Ronan just woke up from a nap, so he's not too happy. Alright, so we got that swapped on. As I pushed the reducer back into this 3-inch opening, went ahead and put a wedge in there. The other day, Mrs. Jake was watching. This is just jam-packed. Had them all over the front here, flying in and out. They couldn't get in that 3/4-inch reducer, that space, real easily. Therefore, we opened this up because during the daytime, even today when it was daylight for a few hours, it was just full of bees right here trying to get in and out. There wasn't a robbing situation going on or nothing, but yeah, so we switched that reducer. All right, we are here at Queen Sophia. I said after watching that I'm gonna probably swap her reducer. Just little puffs of smoke, that's all you really need. That tells the bees, hey, we're coming in. What it actually tells the bees is, hey, there could be possibly a fire going on. So we need to go to our frames with honey and food stores and start just gobbling it all up. Here's a guard bee coming out to check, see what's happening. Go back in, girls. I don't want to accidentally squish you. Alright, let's see if we can open this. This is why I like the hive tool with the J-hook. Get right in there. Let's open that up. Hopefully not break my reducer. This is a little difficult one-handed. Okay, since this one was having a hard time coming out, went ahead and put the hive tool right in here and just kind of pried up a little bit. It sounded like they propolised it pretty good, so that's why the box wasn't moving. So I went ahead and popped that seal. Let's swap it. Now this bottom board, this is one of the 2 bottom boards I bought before I realized how easy all this stuff was to make. So this one and this one were the 2 that I bought, and the reducers fit in there just snug, real nice, so I don't got to worry about putting anything in there to hold them in place. All right, Mrs. Jake and Ronan should be back soon, and we'll get into Aduna. All right, we're gonna get into Queen Aduna now.
Nope.
I went ahead and did all the reducers. You saw me do 2 of them. I did the other 3. You know, they've almost emptied that sugar.
Hey, is this Queen Aduna?
That kind of blows my mind.
Sure is.
Wow. And there's ants in it.
There is no more sugar in there.
There are a few ants on it.
Hi, girls. Look how packed that looks.
They're drinking their water. They're drinking the water.
Now watch how quickly they disappear. All just gone now. How cool is that?
Did he disappear?
Now we're gonna see how many frames of bees we have.
Actually, I'm gonna stand on this side.
Me too.
Good idea, bud.
Right here. With the mud.
How does it look?
Wow.
2, 3, 4.
These are
Okay, I don't
doing
think
great.
we need the other box yet. So look, we got bees. It's full of bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5.
I got these.
Stem, you got your
There's
sticks?
some.
No, this
There's
is
a few
an arrow
exploring
and
between here.
I got my arrow bow.
They kind of bridged here
There's
a little bit, but that's no
few in
biggie.
there. It looks like they might be starting to build on this side.
I want to see if they are.
No.
Yep, they are starting to draw it out right up in here.
Good.
So good. Hey, Mr. Drone.
So
The fun thing about drones is they can't sting you. They don't have stingers.
Huh.
See them
yep,
running?
they're building on this side pretty good. That's awesome. Okay.
All right.
Hi, BB.
I
I
have,
call it the bees BBs.
I have a coworker named BB.
Hi, BBs.
All right, well, we're going to go ahead and close it back up.
Yay!
Should we flip it over this time now that we have a smoker out here? Like we tried to do when we were...
Yeah, to kind of help bridge that gap a little. So there's not a gap. So they're not coming in on the side.
Now they're going to all take off flying, Ronan. You ready?
Yay!
You're all off?
No, there's a few.
Get off there, Mama.
Get off them. Get off there, Mama.
Okay. Make sure it sits right after you put it on.
I think that comb is...
No.
Where's the mama?
Hear them all buzzing loudly, Ronan?
Yeah.
They're buzzing loud.
Are the drones buzzing loud?
They are the loudest, I think.
There we go.
The drones
flat's
are
that
the
sitting?
loudest.
It's still
They're
got
the
a bit of a
drone
gap
bees and-
over here.
Yeah, but not enough for
maybe
bees
that's
to get in.
okay.
And the drones are the boys.
Yep.
The drones are the boys.
Clear this burr off. There's just a little bit of sugar left, not
And-
much. Get down in there.
And the yellow is up.
Oh, okay, you just smushed her.
All right,
Smoke it again.
Oh no.
get down. I almost wonder if we shouldn't give them some more sugar water. Or you could come out here and do that tomorrow.
Yeah, I can come and bring some out tomorrow.
You know
There
the
we
bees
go.
are doing okay, all right?
Yeah, they're doing okay.
Does it look okay on the all four sides?
Yeah, it's pretty flat over here.
Oh.
Now they're fanning,
I see a wolf spider.
saying, "Hey, everybody, come home. This is home. Get home." These punks just opened us up.
Hey, Mom,
You see a spider?
I see a wolf spider. I see a wolf spider.
And with all that rain, no moisture in here. I would say
Wolf spider.
the sealant is working rather well.
Wolf
Mm-hmm.
spider, Dad.
You saw a wolf spider, Ro.
Yeah,
Wow.
let me show you.
Show me. Did he scamper off, or is that him right there?
That's
Hello, Mr. Spider.
two
There's another
wolf
one.
spiders. Two wolf spiders. I see. I see the two.
Very
wolf
cool,
spiders.
Roro. Say hi.
Hi. Hello to wolf spiders. It said hello to the two wolf spiders.
Yeah.
And
he's not
they're
gonna let us
on
come out here
that.
without it.
And they're on that wall.
All right. Still recording?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, we got our reducer switch from the 3/4 size to the 3-inch size because there's a lot of activity right now. I think Mrs. Jake is going to come out here tomorrow and give all these guys a new jar
Mm-hmm.
of 1-to-1 because it hasn't even been 2 days and they sucked that jar down. That's crazy to me. Not to mention it's going to possibly rain again tomorrow. It's like towards the evening. So more than likely all that nice nectar in all of our plants and flowers is going to get washed off and washed away again. So they're going to need it. We don't want our bees to starve. Alright, so from the videos Mrs. Jake sent me, Aduna's really strong during the day. Sophia was as well, and I saw quite a few from Blanche. We know from past experience that Dorothy's pretty
I can't
pretty
find my arrow.
Ronan, it's right there. Right there.
Dorothy is pretty feisty. Rose, she's a little bit smaller, but she does have quite a bit of
Yes.
population. So hopefully that 3-inch opening will kind of just help them out, come in and out better from the hives.
Don't see it.
All right.
Don't see it.
Yes?
Okay.
I really
We'll
don't
keep praying for your
see
family. You
it.
pray for ours. I hope y'all are doing well whenever you are, wherever you are, morning, afternoon, and night.
Oh.
And we'll keep doing what we do, and we'll catch y'all later.
It's
Bye.
right there.